This video explains how to attend a virtual hearing via Microsoft Teams for those who have already created a Microsoft Teams account. I'm using an Apple computer and a Gmail email account, but if you're using a PC or non-Gmail, it should be a very similar process. I'm also using a non-DOE email address, but again, if you have a DOE email address, it should be very similar. So to start, it's likely that you're going to receive two emails inviting you to the virtual hearing. The first one is going to be a calendar invite and look something like this, and you should not use this email to join the hearing. Instead, you should go to the other email that's going to look something like this and press the Open Microsoft Teams button right here. Once this page loads, it's easiest to get into Microsoft Teams by pressing the Use the Web App Instead button. You're then going to log into your Teams account. So on the left-hand side of the screen, you should have access to all the teams you're in. You're going to want to click the team for the hearing, press the drop-down menu, and go to the specific hearing you're going to be attending. This screen gives you access to other people who are going to be attending the hearing and potentially different documents that are going to be shared. Once you're here, there's two different ways to log on to the actual hearing. You can press the camera button right here, or you could press the Join Meeting Now button over here. Once this page loads, press Join Now. And now you're in the virtual hearing. So once this page loads, there's several features Microsoft Teams offers that you can utilize in the hearing. Where my cursor is right here, this allows you to show the various participants in the meeting. The button that says Show Conversation allows you to see the meeting chat, and you can add to the chat by pressing the reply button, typing your message, and then pressing the send button where my cursor is. You can also raise your hand if you have a question, and you can see whose hand is raised by going to participants. So this is showing that my hand is raised right here. You can also turn off incoming video, show meeting notes, or enter full screen using this button. You can share your screen using this button, and you can mute your audio, or mute your video using these two buttons. Once the meeting is all over, you just press the hang up button, and then you're back to the specific case screen.